What's up guys? This next video is a snippet from winter 2025. It was pre-Palmer shipyard. I was able to work on a few of the valves above the waterline. This valve is from our generator gas Overboard. Let's bring this bad boy to our workstation and give it some sweet lovin'. That ain't big enough. Yes sir. For the most part, this valve was in good condition. It's a good make, just needed a service. So as you'll see, I'll open up various components, take them apart, clean them, lap the valves, do some painting on some of the rust there on the DN plates. With this section of the valve, a lot of heat was applied along with our biggest Stilson. If you can't see here, I'm using a pulley removal tool with some added heat to free up those corroded joints. It's necessary work nonetheless. On to lapping the valves. It's the same process as any valve lapping. We start with the coarse grinding paste and grind until a nice clear metal seat is shown all around, and then we move on to the fine paste and repeat the process. Clean up all the parts and assemble with a load of Tef gel. Lastly, give the flange some TLC. For this I sanded the face with a block to flatten for seating, and then rust converted the rust. 2 coats primer, 2 top coats, and she was good to go. Scripture of the day, Proverbs 3 verse 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your paths straight.